Hi everyone, my name is Ankita. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you a few products and things that I'm loving in the month of February. I love watching monthly favorite videos on YouTube, so I want to share with you a few of my favorites for this month as well. Before we get started, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you can stay up to date with all of my uploads. Feel free to also hit the bell so you can stay notified every time I upload. Let's get right into the video. So the first product that I'm really loving this month is this Essie nail polish. It's in the shade Throw It On 210, and this is a quick dry nail polish. This is a really cute pastel lavender shade. Essie nail polishes are honestly the best because they have such a nice finish and they stay on longer. So I have an Essie nail polish on right now, but in a different shade. This is the shade Prop, Drop, and Roll. And I painted my nails about 3 days ago, and still there's no chipping. It looks freshly painted. I only applied 2 coats of the polish. I added no base coat, no top coat, and still they're like perfectly new. So if you love doing your nails from home, I definitely recommend Essie. And this month I'm just loving this pastel purpley lavender shade. The next thing I love are these hair scrunchies. These are by Simply Silk Designs. It's actually my friend Jessie's side business, so I'll link her Etsy store in the description. But these scrunchies are so cute. I love these colors. I got one in hot pink and in the champagne color. It just screams like Valentine's Day, February to me, so I've just been wearing these a lot more this month. The next couple products I'll show you are in the skincare category. This is Certified Organic Rosehip Oil by Trilogy. I purchased this from Whole Foods. Rosehip oil is really good for diminishing fine lines, acne scarring, wrinkles. So I've really just been applying this every night before bed to get rid of some acne scarring and just improve overall skin softness. So I've just been loving this and it smells really nice. I love using facial oils. I think oils are so good for your skin. I use coconut oil all over my body, and I'm always using different types of oils on my face, like argan oil, oil, rosehip oil, and even oils in my hair. So I think oils are just so essential for our bodies, and I'm just loving this rosehip oil this month. Number 4 is this Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser. This is a conditioning face wash. And what I love about it is that 1, it's vegan, but 2, it also doesn't leave your face feeling dry. I know sometimes I use face cleansers and my skin will just feel so dry after, but it honestly leaves it feeling very soft, and that's what I like about it. It's a really good and gentle face wash. I think this is a really good face wash for all skin types because if you have oily skin or you use a face wash that gets rid of all the oils on your skin is going to produce excess oils to replenish the oils that you just washed off. So this doesn't get rid of all the oils. It's like a very nice, nourishing face wash, so I don't think you're going to be excessively producing more face oil. That's what I find. And then if you have very dry skin at the same time, it keeps your face locked in with moisture and doesn't dry out your skin. So I think this would be a all over good face wash for most dry, oily, and normal skin types. So number 5 is this Murad Hydration Nutrient Charged Water Gel. It's basically a moisturizer and your face feels like it's just locked in with moisture after you use it. Funny story behind this is that a few months ago I actually won a Murad giveaway and I was sent like 7 Murad products, and this was one of them. So I just started using this more this month and realized that I really like it. I like the moisture that it gives me, and I also like that it's not a very heavy cream. It's a very lightweight water gel based cream. So I'm really loving this. It also smells nice. It has like a light berry smell. So this is definitely a really nice face cream. On to the next product I've been using is just this lip balm. It's Soft Sheet Lip Balm from Pink, but I just think it's so cute, and I don't know, I've just been using it a lot this month. It smells nice. It feels really moisturizing on the lips, and it's just a cute little lip balm. So the next product that I've been loving is the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint. This has become a favorite since the month I got it, which was back in June. And this has just quickly become like my go-to tinted moisturizer. If you've been watching my recent makeup tutorials, this is like my go-to base that I've been using. It has such a nice lightweight finish, and something I noticed was that after a couple minutes of wearing this, the product like blends in with your skin tone and just kind of seeps into your skin, and it gives you an even skin tone while staying true to your actual skin. This is really nice because this works with your skin, so it's not really hiding your skin, it's really just working with your skin to look more even. I love the glowy finishes on foundations and skin tints, so that's why I also really like this. If you're interested, I have a whole review, first impressions, and wear test on this Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint. So if you'd like to watch that, I'll link that in the description bar. But basically, I'm really loving this. It's a really good tinted moisturizer, and it's vegan. If you enjoy shopping from Glossier, I do have a 10% off referral link. So if you shop through the link, you'll get 10% off of your purchase, and I'll get a discount as well if you shop through that link. So you can use it if you want. I'll link it. The next thing on my list of favorites are these really adorable heart hoop earrings. I bought these from Home Goods a couple months ago, but I didn't really start wearing them until this month because I got really into the Valentine's Day vibes this month. These earrings are so cute, and I love that they're colorful, heart-shaped. They have these little gold accents. So they're just really fun and cute. So the next thing on my list is this Bite Beauty lip gloss. This is in the shade Honey. I've honestly had this lip gloss in my lipstick lip gloss collection for over a year probably, and I just never used it. I kind of forgot I even had it, and then just a few weeks ago I was going through my things and decluttering some of my makeup, and I've rediscovered this product in my drawer. I think it's such a nice lip gloss for a brown complexion. It also has some shimmer in it, so it's just very cute. I wore this in my recent Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. This is the lip gloss that I'm wearing. I paired it with another lipstick. You can go and check out that video. I'll also link that in the description as well. Last but not least, this month, one of my ultimate favorites have been the Revlon One Step Blow Dryer. I actually have a tutorial if you'd like to see how you can use it. This tool is really convenient because it dries and styles your hair at the same time. This comes with 3 heat settings. It has high, low, and cool. This isn't even just a February favorite, it's a 2021 favorite so far. So these are a few different products that I've been loving this month of February. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite product was from what I showed you, and if you already have a product that I showed. I would love to know. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye! She's a Mona Lisa.